640 crypto projects have failed to publish a single line of code this year. Next on your 4-Minute Crypto Show. Today's show is from a post by Christine Vazquez at Bitcoinist and brought to you by BitBlockBoom. Taking a look at this great Bitcoin conference that I'm bringing to Dallas, Texas for the third year in a row at BitBlockBoom.com. I hope I get to meet you in person in Dallas, Texas. 32% of all crypto projects failed to publish a single line of code in 2019, and 640 of them were completely inactive. Now, this is based on research of 2,000 startups by the CoinCode Cat project. This number comes as no surprise, really, as only a handful of projects take the top spots when it comes to GitHub commits. However, it is especially worrisome as former ICO startups sink into obscurity or simply fail. The CoinCode Cat project commented that the crypto landscape, well, it's full of lies and empty promises. To make this ecosystem better, we need to weed out projects which are not fulfilling the promises they made to investors. The analysis of CoinCode Cap, which links exchange rate success with code commits, reveals that the assets belonging to the inactive projects have a market capitalization of $415 million. The most striking example was the Proton token project, which has not published new code since 2018. One of the reasons for the weak activity is that creating a new blockchain project, well, it can be relatively simple, especially if the token is built over the Ethereum network. Multiple projects have promised to launch their own blockchains in the past, but few moved forward to creating a new network during the bear market for altcoins. But even actively publishing projects have slowed down their activity. Big coins like Bitcoin Cash and Monero have diminished their pace of commits. Previous champions like Komodo and Lisk have also slowed their production. Highly inactive projects also show up on a handful of exchanges that have a reputation of listing relatively obscure projects. Yobit is the leading exchange hosting 62 tokens or coins that do not have a single line of code that's been written in 2019. The slowdown in production coincided with the loss of runway for most crypto projects, especially those that raise funds at the peak of the market. With Ethereum dropping to $200, multiple projects could not meet the development requirements. In the cryptocurrency space, it is nothing new for projects to die down. But for now, most inactive startups continue to see at least some trading. So what do you make of these appalling figures? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and please don't forget to subscribe at 4minutecrypto.com/subscribe for a new episode of this show every weekday. I'm your host, Gary Leland, the Crypto Podcaster, and thanks for joining me on another 4-Minute Crypto Show. This has been a CryptoPodcaster.com production.